William Wordsworth, 1770 to 1850. Match list first with list second and select the correct answers using quotes gives below the list. 1798, The Great Tradition. 1865, Principle of Literary Criticism. 1924, Function of Criticism at Present Time. 1948, Preface to the Lyrical Ballad. Quotes. तो 1798 में क्या आया था? प्रोफेस टू द लिरिकल बैलेड. पहले का हो गया 4. नेक्स्ट है हमारा 1865 में था. 1865 में था फंक्शन ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म एट प्रेजेंट टाइम. तो ये हमारा दूसरा मिल रहा है. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, पहले का 4, दूसरे का 3. तो ये हमारा आंसर सही हो गया बी. 4, 3, 2, 1. ये हो गया इसका आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा Wordsworth ode to on intimation of immortality hold the view that. Hold the view that soul is non-existence, childhood is immortal, soul lives in heaven before coming into the world. When we grow older, we do not forget our experience of heaven. तो इसका आंसर होगा soul lives in heaven before coming into the world. इस लेसन देख लेते हैं हम. William Wordsworth ode on intimation of immortality holds the view that soul lives in heaven before coming into the world. The poem, published in the collection of poems in 2 volumes in 1807, expressed the thought of narrator as when he was a child he saw the whole world shining with heavenly beauty and wonders. Where that beauty has gone now, he is an adult. Next question is, let nature be your teacher. Occurs in which the following poem? Tinternabet, The Excursion, The Prelude, Solitary Repair. तो इसका आंसर होगा ये उसका है, क्या बोलते हैं, टेबल टर्न का. लेट नेचर बी योर टीचर. दिस इज फ्रॉम पोएम टेबल टर्न. इसमें आंसर नहीं दिया गया है. ये वहाँ पे देख लेते हैं. The line "Let nature be your teacher" is taken from the famous poem of William Wordsworth, The Table Turn, published in 1898 in the collection of lyrical ballad. In this line, the speaker is telling his friend that nature has more ability to teach than books, and that is why he should go outside rather than seek refuge in dry pages. Fourth number question है, which of the following critic considers a poet as a man speaking to man? William Wordsworth, Sir Philip Sidney, T.S. Eliot, Matthew Arnold. इसका आंसर होगा William Wordsworth. Which of the following critic considers a poet as a man speaking to man? William Wordsworth considered a poet as a man speaking to man. He wrote these words in the preface to the second edition 1800 of the lyrical ballad of the preface is often considered a manifesto of the romantic movement in English literature. Next question is our, in which of the following poems occurs the phrase the still sad music of humanity? Ode, Intimation of Immortality, Michael, a pastoral poem, The Solitary Repair, Tintern Abbey. The above phrase, the still sad music humanity, derived from the famous dramatic lyric Tintern Abbey. ये टिंटन एबे से लिया गया है. Tintern Abbey on the revisiting the banks of the Wye during a tour July 13, 1798. The poem is written in Decasyllabic blank verse and comprises verse paragraphs. It opens with the speaker's declaration that 5 years have passed, 5 summers with the length of 5 long writers, and again I hear. Next question is our poetry is a spontaneous overflow of powerful feeling. It takes its origin from emotion recollected in tranquility. By William Wordsworth. The theory about poetry asked in question suggested by William Wordsworth. He defines poetry in his preface to the lyrical ballad as a poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. It takes its origin from emotion recollected in tranquility. Next question is our Wordsworth's poetry. Wordsworth's early poetry is radical not because it embodies revolutionary thought or theory, or because it voices the complaints of the poor, but because it attempts to shift a literary perspective away from what he saw as gentility and false sophistication. Louis Kazamian, David Ditches, Andrew Sanders, Ifor Evans. इसका आंसर responsible for the dramatic shift which enable a poetry that would root us back to a love of fellow creatures and a nature itself. A radical poetry, not politics or religious, enable us to love the natural world. William Wordsworth stand behind that love, says ब्रियान बेट. इसमें नन ऑफ दीज है, इसमें नहीं दिया गया. इसके जो इन्होंने बोला है ये किसके द्वारा बोला गया है, ये ब्रियान बेट के द्वारा बोला गया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आवर there neither is nor can be any difference between the language of prose and metrical composition. Necessary, mandatory, obligatory, essential. तो इसका आंसर होगा essential. There neither is nor can be any differences between the language of prose and metrical composition. Essential is the missing modifier in the following conception of Wordsworth's poetic diction. Poetic diction refers to the style of writing used in poetry, the linguistic style, vocabulary, and use of figurative language of metaphors. Wordsworth was the first poet who seriously challenged conventional concept of poetic diction in his preface to the lyrical ballad that was published in 1802. S.T. Coleridge was the first to criticize Wordsworth's theory. Next question is, according to Wordsworth, the poet is different from other men in that the poet has chaotic, irregular, fragmentary sensibility, more lively sensibility, rational sympathy, emotion. तो इसका आंसर होगा more lively sensibility. According to William Wordsworth, the poet is different from other men in that the poet has more lively sensibility. William Wordsworth, April 1770, April to 23, 1850, an English poet whose lyrical ballad 1790 is written with S.T. Coleridge helped to launch the English Romantic movement. The poet laureate of England from 1843 to 1850. This magnum opus is generally considered to be the prelude or growth of poet minds. Is an autobiographical poem in blank verse. Began in 1798 and published 3 months after Wordsworth's death in 1850. Next question is our, who collaborated with Wordsworth in bringing out lyrical ballad. तो इसका आंसर होगा Coleridge. So this is question related to Wordsworth. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.